Today we harvested runners of strawberries and will plant them as soon as possible. The most common way to increase the number of strawberries is to grow the offspring plants that emerge from the stem, called runners. New seedlings are grown by dividing the offspring that form at the tips of the runners that grow from the parent plant. In particular, the first offspring that is close to the parent plant is easily affected by the parent plant and may grow poorly. Therefore, the second and third offspring tend to grow better, so I make use of them. I will use the third and fourth offspring in this case. I will not take the first seedling, but use the seedlings after it. First, remove any dead parts before planting. Once they are clean, we will plant them. The soil to be used is a mixture of akadama soil and vermiculite in equal proportions. If the seedlings have sprouted, plant them as if burying the roots. After planting, soak the container in a container filled with enough water to prevent it from sinking, and allow it to absorb water. When the entire soil is moist, remove the plants from the water and leave them in a shady, well-ventilated place. I will be happy if the strawberries grow well this time. I will make a video of the strawberry growth in the future. Please subscribe to my channel so I don't forget. Don't forget to give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.